Welcome to the Math Review. In this lesson, we're talking about subtracting integers, but we're going to specifically do it using a strategy called KCC. Now you might be asking yourself, what does KCC stand for? And what does this table do? Well, each of the letters in KCC means something to help us subtract integers. The first letter K stands for keep. And what's happening is the first number in our subtraction question, we're just going to keep it exactly the same. This C stands for change. And what will go in this box is the operation subtraction. And we're going to change subtraction into addition. And finally, this C here also stands for change. But this time, the second number will change to its opposite. So positive numbers will become negative numbers, and negative numbers will become positive numbers. But again, that only happens in this C column. Let's start with an example. Let's say we have 5 minus negative 3. Well, since we're keeping the first value, this 5 will get kept and will stay exactly the same. So down here, we'll just write 5 again. This C stands for change, and we're changing subtraction into addition. So this minus will change to plus. And this negative 3 will change to its opposite. So the negative 3 will become positive 3. And we'll write that down here under C. So now we have positive 5 plus 3, which is much easier than trying to think of this problem. So 5 plus 3 is simply 8. So we could say 5 minus negative 3 equals positive 8. Let's try another example. Here we have negative 7 minus 8. K stands for keep. So this negative 7 we will keep as negative 7. So let's write negative 7 right down here. The C here stands for change, and we're changing subtraction into addition. So this minus will change into plus. And finally, we're changing the second number to its opposite. So the positive we have in that column will turn into a negative. So this positive 8 will change into negative 8. Now these values are a little bit more challenging. Let's think about it in terms of money. And negative represents something that you owe. So let's say you owe somebody $7. And now you owe them another $8. So if you owe them 7 and you owe them 8, you have to combine what it is you owe. So in total, you would owe $15. So our answer is negative 15. And we could say negative 7 minus 8 equals negative 15. Let's go over one more example. Here we have negative 4 minus negative 8. The negative 4 we're going to keep. So down here, we'll write negative 4 again. This minus sign will change from subtraction to addition. So we'll change this minus sign into an addition sign. And finally, we're going to change negative 8, because that's the second number, to its opposite. So negative 8 will become positive 8. So negative 8 changes into positive 8. And now we have negative 4 plus 8. And this question is probably the trickiest, And the reason why that is because even though there's an addition sign here, the signs of the numbers we have are really what will say what we need to do, whether it's add or subtract the numbers. Let's think of it this way. Let's say you owe somebody $4 and you have $8. We're going to say have because it's positive. So if you owe somebody $4 and you have $8, the question is, do you have enough to pay back the money you owe? Well, the answer is yes. So after paying back the $4 we owe, we'll still have $4 remaining. So our answer is positive 4. And we could say negative 4 minus negative 8 equals positive 4. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.